Howdy ho, bitches! Been a while. How are you now? You know how I am. I'm high as fuck. And I'm gonna have a Coca-Cola. Cheers, big ears. Fuck yeah. What we got going on here today? Pork shoulder, blade roast, 4.5 kilos, so around 9.5 pounds, a little bit over. Plain and simple today. We're using the pit bitch, first time of 2024. And it's the first day of autumn, 2024. A little bit of olive oil and salt, pepper, garlic, SPG, that's it. Give her a good coating, and outside she goes. Whoa, RTFO bitches. And I'm not gonna fucking trim any fat off of it. I'm just gonna do it how it is. And we're gonna put the fat side down. Oh no! It is what it is, bitchwads. Olive Earl. The Earl of Olive. Lube your meat. The meat's been washed and dried. Don't want any dirty fucking meat in here, do we? And all the meat slime off. Lube it real good. And pardon my elbow. Been a while since we've had some elbow action for our friend, Elbow Boy. Slippery slidey. She's lubed. You know how to do this, right? So you don't need to watch everything. So we're gonna get a lot of elbows in here, so give me a minute. I'll get her done. We'll meet you outside. Drink up, buttercup. Yeehaw. Woo! Cheers, bitches. Drink up, buttercup. All right. Looks like this. Running at 250. 250. Go. Whoa. So it'll be all day and part of the night, well, all afternoon. Started late. I woke up early, but I went back to bed. Yeehaw. Alright, we'll be back a few times throughout the day. Whoa. Keep on rocking in the free world, bitches. Fuck yeah. What a beautiful day. First day of autumn. Alright. Woo. Alright, bitches. It's been about an hour. Agua. Give her a bit of a looky-loo. Starting to leak. Good. Nice. Yep. I just decided SPG. Nothing fancy today. Whoa. That's how she looks. Closed door. We'll be back later. This is going to be a marathon. RTFO, mofos. hydration. It's a bit breezy today. Whoa. Whoa. I ZTFI'd. It's been just over 4 hours, about 4¼ hours. Internal temperature is 149. Like I said, it's gonna be a while. Yeehaw. Just a quick update. Didn't even get a Coke. Smells fucking great. And just SPG. Beauty. Whoa. Whoa. Internal temperature is at 168. I'm gonna put it into pan. I got some onion in there. I'm not gonna put a rack in. Just gonna throw some chicken broth in there. Looks like that. Looks great. Awesome. Baby. Hey, come back here. Ah, fat. Fat. I'm high as fuck. Alright. No name. Chicken broth. Throw in, I don't know, half a box? Maybe? Kinda, sorta. Could throw some potatoes in there if you wanted to. Maybe I will. Nah. Okay, good enough. It's about half. Foil. Foiled again, bitches. Good. A little extra. It's gonna be hot. Good. Which side's up? Probez-vous. There. Okay. Perfect. EAF, easy as fuck. Oh, I forgot to brush-a-vous and get a cloth. Give her a rinse-a-roo with a cloth. Clean. Let's go. Good. Woo. We'll be back in a few hours. RTFO, mofos. Woo. Almost 9 hours, bitches. You're at 202 degrees. Time to go inside. It's just starting to rain. Talk about perfect fucking timing. The only thing I forgot is going to throw some a container of potatoes in here. They're still in the shelf. A shelf. What do you call that thing? Counter. Gotta get rid of that. Alright. let me undo the probe and we'll be back. Whoa. Whoa. It's just after midnight, bitches. Still very warm. See what we got going on. We got a lot of drippage. To that bone. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I should have opened my Coca-Cola before I started messing with this. I'm gonna make a good gravy with that. Fuck yeah. Woohoo. Cheers, big ears. Right, kagarshik's here. I'm gonna move this over here for now. How am I gonna do this? Yeah, we'll do it like this. Come with me. Oh yeah, I meant to turn off the camera. Here it comes, here it comes. Look at this, look at this. That's what we want. There. Kinda, sorta. Oh man. That's fucking beautiful. Oh yeah. That's fucking dynamite. I tell you what. Well, that's what I did. Oh, you know what? All right. Look at that. Moist. Peel that crap off. Peel it off. Don't. Boom. Well, it's gonna be some good eats. All right, bitches. Oh yeah. All right. Let me get this all ripped apart, and I'll be back. Whoa. Whoa. All right, bitches. Garbage, fat, and stringy connective tissue bullshit. This is what I got. I didn't weigh it. That's what I got. A lot of good eats coming out of that. It's so fucking good. I made a mess. Again. Where'd that go? I had one. Alright, bitches. Go make a pork shoulder blade. SPG. Have a Coca-Cola. Have a beer. Woo, beer is good. Fuck yeah. Well, I'm very happy with that. Until the next time, keep your head up, keep your stick on the ice, and fuck right off. Woo! RTFO, mofos.